Guys, it's Fatman here, and today I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I mean, I'm sick. I just drank a bottle of Mountain Dew. Maybe I could do a challenge where I drink a bottle of Mountain Dew and you know, do a challenge where I can't like burp, and if I do, I have to do something. But I don't really want to harm my body that much, so I don't know what I would do. I'll come back to you with a solution. So, yeah. Oh, crap. So hard to pause on this. Okay, so I figured out a challenge. In my first video, I did the cinnamon challenge, and I decided if I burp while drinking this, I will have to, do that over again. Now, Derek's not here, so, I'll have to do it alone. As you can see, it's full. I mean, I don't know how to prove that it's full. Like, just, can you take my word for it? Or, no, you can see the liquid. Oh, it's full, yes. Okay. Try not to burp. I want to burp so bad. Empty. It didn't even burp. Not what I was expecting. So yeah, this was the try not to burp challenge, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye. Bye! I felt kind of bad for not doing it, so I'm gonna do it anyway. I got my tablespoon of cinnamon here. Oh, there we go. Well, now I kind of have to do it now, because I burped. Oh. Cheers. Oh, I just cut cinnamon on my camera. Oh, now it's all covered in spit. Well, I'll fix that later. 3, 2, 1. It burned. I can't follow it. Go. I don't recommend you doing this at home. It is a terrible thing to do. It burns when you're doing it, and it takes forever to get the cinnamon out of your mouth. I will actually, this is the actual another video. This has this. I'm Fat Man, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Oh my gosh.